guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to have a desk makeover. So as you can see, my desk is so messy and full of things because when I do arts, it causes a lot of mess. So we're going to have a makeover. First is to remove all the things on the table so that I can organize them properly later. And then I'm gonna remove this piece of cloth here. This is the wallpaper I bought online, which costs $130 per roll. Basically, I'm having a hard time doing this because this is my first time putting wallpaper. Along doing this, here's me, pa-cute on the camera. And yeah, back to work. Sorry for the low quality of the video because it really can't focus and bad lighting, and I just use my phone to shoot it. So now I'm gonna put my organizers I bought online. So this is my skincare organizers. And then here is I'm gonna put the paintbrush and also my washi tapes. Here are some of my pens collection, and I'm gonna put them on my pen organizer. And if you want any of these organizers, you can check on my Shopee haul video. I'm gonna put the link on the description box.